Welcome to Living with Convictions video on how to navigate the Justice in Motion LFO web app. I'm Dante with Living with Convictions. This video will help you navigate the Justice in Motion web app. This app will make it easier for people with LFOs to fill out the court forms to ask a court to reduce your LFO debt. Before we start, we want to mention two things. Number one, let's talk about interest. Were you convicted before June 7, 2018? If so, you have a right to a waiver or cancellation of that interest on all your LFOs except victim restitution. All you have to do is correctly fill out and submit court forms. If they are correctly filled out, the law requires the court to waive non-restitution interest. Regarding restitution interest, once you have paid your restitution in full, you can ask the court to waive your restitution interest. Number two, let's talk about LFOs themselves, the cost, fees, and fines you owe. If paying your LFOs is causing a manifest hardship on you or your family, you can ask the court to cancel most of your LFOs with a few exceptions. Our Justice in Motion web app will ask you a bunch of questions to figure out what you are eligible for. And then using your answers to those questions, the app will fill out the court forms for you. So let's get started. Here we are on the home page. Remember, this app currently can only help with court forms from Washington State Superior Courts. Just click Start. Here's our welcome page. The most important part is you can only do one Superior Court case at a time. You are welcome to use this app for as many cases as you have, as many times as you want. Please take your time reading this next page. Here we are explaining that the app does not give legal advice and there is no legal relationship or representation of any kind. You'll need to click I understand and agree to continue. Understand and agree that everything you enter into this app is true because you signed the court forms under penalty of perjury. These next two pages provide a lot of information and definitions. Absolutely need is your case number, which you also call cause number for each case. Take as long as you need to read these two pages. And now you can start answering the questions to fill out the forms. You will need an email address so the app can send you your completed forms. Now go through and answer each question. Questions with a red asterisk are required. Also note that below most questions, there is a bit more information. Once you are finished answering all the questions, you will come to a landing page. Go to the bottom of that page and click on PDF preview. There you can see your completed forms and check your answers. Take your time doing this. If you want to make any changes, just click the previous button. Once you are happy with your answers, click submit. The completed forms will be emailed to you along with the instructions for printing, signing, and submitting your forms to the Superior Court Clerk's office for the county you selected. Thanks for watching. Good luck. You can do this. If you have any questions or feedback for us, please give us an email at info@livingwithconviction.org or call us at 206-307-3028.